Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Writing Excel Files in Python, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to write data to Excel files using Python. Excel files are widely used for storing and organizing tabular data, and Python provides several libraries that make it easy to work with Excel files. We will focus on using the popular openpyxl library to create and write data to Excel files. Requirements. Before getting started, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from https://www.python.org/downloads. Additionally, install the openpyxl library by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Writing to Excel files with openpyxl. Writing data to cells. Save the Excel workbook. Example program.